Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the bit on SLP. In my earlier videos, I was showing you that after the breakout from another down channel, the price on of SLP rallied very well, and this was one of those videos. And now if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after this rally, for a while the price and also broke out this very long-term resistance of $0.0021, but again broke it down, and now for the past few days it is struggling to break it out. You can see that we had a long spike, but the price and could not break it out so far. Before that, SLP also broke out another bigger down channel as well. And if you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that the price on of SLP has tested this very long-term support zone. That's out from $0.0012 and goes to $0.00105. We had a bounce here, and this time it was moved slightly down and formed a lower than previous low and then geared up. And at the same time, if you take a look at the stochastic, then you will see that it was forming higher low. So it was a very huge bullish divergence in the price and is reversed back in the result of this huge bullish divergence signal. Therefore, I'm expecting that soon it can also break out this long-term resistance of $0.002 as well, $0.0021. That was recently working as support here for several weeks a month, support here and support here, and now it is acting as a resistance for the price line of SLP. And before that, on the 7-day time frame chart, SLP has already broken out this huge falling wedge pattern as well. And in today's video, we will also analyze this breakout. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for SLP that I shared almost 3 days ago with my members. And so far, this signal has produced almost 35% very powerful pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for SLP that I shared almost 3 days ago with my members. And that was a bullish AB equal to CD move that SLP completed on the daily time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup. It binds on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has nicely moved up from this buying zone and reached the sell target zone here. And so far, it has pumped almost 35%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the link to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let's move to the live chart of SLP. And first of all, I'm going to show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, it has been moving inside this channel. By the way, and the target that I was telling you for this breakout was here at the top of the channel, approximately at $0.0021. And over there, we have already a quite long-term resistance. And now we need to break out this resistance once again in order to hit the target for the breakout from this bigger down channel. And that target is, by the way, here at the top of the channel, that is approximately at $0.006. And if you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $0.006 has been recently breaking at the point of rejection here. Before that, it was also breaking as a resistance here for a few weeks. You can see that we got rejections here and almost as a resistance here as well. Therefore, again, it is working as a very strong resistance, and if the price line reaches here, then again, it can work as a strong hurdle or resistance for the price line of SLP. Now here on the 7-day time frame chart, you can see that SLP has already broken out this huge falling wedge pattern as well. And the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at 7.5 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.